Hey
practical in
everyone,
Kotlin. Today we are building a task manager, and along the way you will learn extension function, data classes and enum classes. So let's jump in again. So first up we have extension function. So Kotlin lets you basically add new function to existing types without touching their source code. So just watch this. I want every word in a string to be capitalized. Instead of writing a utility method somewhere, I can extend string directly here. Right? We split on spaces, then join to string reassembles it. And for each word, we uppercase the first character using a method reference. So this is really clean and readable. You can call it like any string method, which is hello Kotlin world and dot capitalize it, right? And you get hello world Kotlin, right, in basically uppercase letter. Now let's have a model task, right? We have in Kotlin data class is perfect for this, as we have seen in our previous videos. So it auto generates equals hash code toString and copy, as we know, right, for your constructor properties. And priority here is an enum class, which is a fixed set of named values. So it is simple and expressive and type safe. Now we have extension functions on list. So here's where it gets fun. We can extend list task with our own helper function, just like we did with strings. So here we have filter keeps items matching the condition. Filter not is the clean opposite. You do not need to write not it dot is completed, which is basically exclamation it dot is completed. We do not need that. So now one more thing, which is a completion rate. So let's just first understand what are extension functions, right? Because extension functions allow us to add a new functionality to existing class without changing their original code, right? As we know that filter not does the opposite, so it returns the tasks that are not completed. And then we have high priority tasks that filters only high priority tasks only, like high priority, low priority or medium priority levels, depending completely on the task that the user will assign, or we can assign also. And now let's take a look at our functions, right? We can see here, and then we can see in our main function that we have used everything here, like priority dot high, the title we have given, and the completed rate, which is either pending or completed. So we also have to check with boolean, right, true or false. So we created a list of tasks. So now we call our custom extension functions like task.complete, task.pending and task.isEmpty, right? So this gives us completed task, pending task, and also checks if the list is empty or not, right? So today we learned extension function, classes, enum classes, list filtering and functional programming in Kotlin. We learned it because these kind of concepts are heavily used in Android and backend development, and also most of the senior Android engineers love extension functions, especially a lot. So just try creating your own functions like low priority, completed count or task titles, and practice more with filter, map and count. As we know that completed gives us one finished task, pending gives us two remaining tasks, and isEmpty is a built-in function that returns false since our list has items. And that's it. Extension functions, data classes, enums, 3 core Kotlin features in one small example. So hope that clicked, and see you in the next one.